Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure both devices share the same Wi-Fi network. This is required for AirPlay to work. Next, update the Google TV and your iPhone to the latest firmware so AirPlay compatibility is current. Then, open the Google TV settings, find AirPlay and enable it. Do this now. Keep the TV remote ready because the TV may display a one-time AirPlay code. You'll enter that on the iPhone shortly. Once AirPlay is enabled on the Google TV, swipe down to open the iPhone Control Center and tap Screen Mirroring. Select the Google TV device name from the list. If you don't see it, wait a few seconds and retry. When the TV shows a 4-digit code, type it into your iPhone to pair. This prevents random connections. After pairing, check audio routing and orientation so video fits the screen and sound plays through the TV speakers. To end the session, open Control Center and tap Stop Mirroring or press Home on the Google TV remote. The pairing will disconnect. If you notice lag, reduce other devices on the Wi-Fi or lower the stream quality in the app. This reduces buffering. If mirroring never connects, restart the iPhone, reboot the Google TV and router, and confirm both are on the exact same SSID. That restart often resolves firewall or network isolation issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.